Hello and welcome to today's short strategy video. My name is Rihanna Redman. I'm an infant and early childhood mental health consultant at Children's Resource Center in Bowling Green, Ohio. And today's strategy is assertive communication. Assertive communication is offering children clear, usable information so they know what to do versus what not to do. So this is really important to model with our own behavior, and then also we can reinforce assertive communication by using visuals. So if we have pictures of either classroom rules or family rules at home, if we have options with a visual to show children what they can do to make a positive choice, that can really reinforce the actions that we want them to do versus not to do. So these two pictures here, these ones are some problem solving visuals. They give positive options of things that children can do to solve a problem. They can play together. They could say, please stop. And then these ones here are calm down choices. So we can model children our own self-regulation skills. If we show children that when I'm getting really frustrated, or maybe when I'm feeling upset or angry, I can take a deep breath and relax. Or I can show children some visuals, some pictures of different options that they can choose to. So maybe they can get a drink of water to calm down, or maybe they could do some jumping jacks to relieve some of that energy, get some of those wiggles out. So how do you use assertive communication? It's really important to avoid words like stop, don't, no, and quit. So again, we want to tell them what to do versus what not to do. Sometimes when we say stop running or don't run, children might come up with something else that they're going to do, and it's not exactly what we wanted them to do either. So maybe instead of running, they start skipping or hopping, but really what we wanted them to do is walk. So we have to remember to say and model what we want them to do. And then lastly, just really praise and encourage the behavior that you want to see more of. It's more likely that children will repeat the behavior if they're getting positive attention for it. So if we really praise them and encourage that behavior, so if they are walking, if they're using kind words, if they're using nice touches, we can really praise them for that, and they eat it up. They just love it when we pay attention to them, when they realize that we're noticing them and we're really happy about the behaviors that they're doing well. So the more that we can praise and encourage that behavior, the more likely it is that we'll continue to see those positive behaviors. These are two examples of assertive communication or assertive commands. They're also sometimes called positive opposites. The reason that they're called assertive commands is because we are telling them to do something instead of asking them. If we ask children, will you put the toys away, or will you come sit down at the table, they have the opportunity to tell us no. So what we want to do is, again, use clear, usable information and tell them what to do. So we did kind of talk about, instead of don't run, we want to use walking feet or please walk. Instead of stop jumping on the couch, we can say, sit on your bottom on the couch, keep your feet on the floor. Instead of no hitting or no kicking, we can use gentle touches, or maybe we need to keep our hands to ourselves. You can keep your hands in your pockets, you can put your hands at your sides, maybe put your hands in your lap. Instead of don't yell, we can use an inside voice. Maybe we need to use a quiet voice when we're inside. And these examples, I can share them with you if you email me at riannar@crcwoodcounty.org. The strategy of assertive communication is an evidence-based strategy from DECA, and the problem-solving visuals and calm-down choices, those come from Conscious Discipline or Teachers Pay Teachers. And lastly, please like us on Facebook at CRC Infant and Early Childhood Connection. Thank you.